Salt is magic, okay? It's also very difficult to teach because in the beginning, no one actually believes you about how much salt you need to have chef quality flavor. Salt brings out the flavor of other flavors like herbs, spices, chilies, lemon juice, even the sear on a steak or a piece of chicken breast. I don't care what the dish is, the secret ingredient is salt. That is something all chefs know. So as you can see, this is an area for you to explore, and hopefully this next exercise will be able to help. Okay, we're doing something crazy. So we're doing the classic culinary school salt test. I get so excited about this because I feel like you can actually see in real life that this is not crazy. This is what chefs are talking about. Salt tastes different. So I have my husband. He's going to be giving you his feedback on the 4 different salts. This is something that you need to experiment with in your own home, but we're gonna show you guys what he thinks of each of these. Okay, so first we have the plain bone broth unsalted with Morton salt. Give it a try. I'm gonna share my microphone. It's fine. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is just the basic salt that we all grew up eating. And now we're gonna do kosher salt. And you can always salt it a little bit more if I didn't salt it enough.
That tastes better. That tastes salted, but there's no depth to it. Just basic. It's just a little bit of salt. So that one's better.
Okay, so this one's better. Some people describe it as cleaner, just because of the iodine flavor, but everybody's different. Now this is the Himalayan sea salt.
Wow, that's saltier. That's even more flavor.
So it's probably saltier because it's finer, because this is a fine sea salt. And then also he's getting the taste of some of the minerals. I gotta taste it because you said that. It pops. It pops, and that's why I really like it for fried foods. Okay, one more. Now this is a French salt that was brought to me by a doctor when I worked for a basketball player named Tony Parker. I was his private chef. And it's pretty old, but salt doesn't go old. It's extremely famous, Le Temps des Mits. I'm probably totally butchering that, but expensive salt.
I like the third one.
You like the third one the best?
Yeah.
It's probably because it had the most in it, because it's so fine.
It's just...
and this one, the French are known for really great salt because they're French. And so they tell you that their salt is the best. This one actually also has rosebuds in it to just show you the depth and the range of salt out there. There's even salt with rosebuds. Oh, taste it again. Rosebud salt.
It's debatable between the two. They're both really good.
They're really good. There's something...
That one's brighter.
Yeah. There's something extra to it. When you're willing to buy a little bit more expensive salt, you get a little bit extra flavor. Mm-hmm. So there you go. You try it for yourself, get the whole family involved, and you will see that there is a difference in salt. Salt's not just salt. So pepper. Pepper is one of the most commonly used spices in the entire world. It's been used for thousands of years, and it really has no signs of diminishing. In Texas cooking specifically, black pepper is very important in barbecue. All you barbecue heads will know that. And it's also one of the core spices in Tex-Mex. That Tex-Mex flavor comes from black pepper, and that's what sets it apart. Also, our cousin to the right or to the left, depending on where you're on the map, Louisiana, white pepper. So important in Creole cooking and in Cajun cooking, and it's very different than black pepper. And that's another one of the things I don't think that you learn unless you go to cooking school. So we're gonna be exploring this today. Pepper comes from the fruit of the pepper plant, which is native to India. It is actually a fruit. This is a berry, and it's known as a peppercorn. We dry it, we ground it into pepper, and it's used in many different recipes all over the world. Several varieties are found, and that is black, white, green, and even pink peppercorns. The different varieties of peppers have distinct flavors and they're used in different ways. Obviously, black pepper is the most common variety and it is the most widely used spice in the world. It is made from dried and cooked peppercorns and it has a strong, pungent flavor. White pepper is made from the same fruit as the black pepper. In fact, they all are, but it's processed differently. The resulting white pepper has a mild, slightly earthy flavor that is less pungent than black pepper. Now, green pepper is made from unripe peppercorns and it has a mild, fresh flavor. It is often pickled and it is used in steak sauces, including the proper version of steak au pois.